Hello folks, today I want to share with you what we call some kitchen screw-ups. Stupid Contractor Award. Okay, so we're walking into the kitchen right here. For one, look here, right there I got this space right here on my floor and up. Look at that, it's just a void. That could have got a little more cabinet space. But come around here, that's what I'm talking about here. Look here, come around here and right into the kitchen. Back up here. And you can see, come around the corner, you're going to wham! If you're a little one, you're going to put your eye out, you're going to hurt yourself. If you're older, you're going to run right into that. You should have fortified this off or something. We should have not left this sharp corner out here. Dumb, and dumber. Now, but dumb. I'm going to show you dumb. Come right in through here. Look at this. What do you think I got going here? I got a bare spot right here. Once again, it's protruding out here. People could get hurt coming through here. All for what? Because I didn't know any better. Stupid Contractor Award. Hey, hit like and subscribe. We thank you, folks. Bless you.